Pompeii, a bright summer morning, 79 AD, one of the happiest little cities in the Roman world. Fountains, painted walls, shops on every corner. Life here is good. What you're about to see is a reconstruction, based on real history, the final hours of a city that vanished in one afternoon. The market is already full. Let me show you. Salve, what are you selling today?
Olives, best in Pompeii.
He has no idea this is his last morning. Is the bread fresh?
Straight from the oven.
That bread will still be here in 2,000 years. Water runs to every street here. Pompeii is rich, modern, proud. What's your name?
Marcus!
Marcus. Remember him. Merchants, bakers, fighters, 12,000 people, all busy with an ordinary day. Every single person I've met this morning will be gone by tonight. And there it is, Vesuvius, beautiful, green, covered in vineyards. What is that mountain?
Vesuvius, good soil, good wine.
Good soil. That's all it is to them. They don't even have a word for volcano. Nobody here knows that mountain can kill. The birds go quiet, all of them, at once. And a thin wisp of smoke rises from the top. And then, the mountain explodes. A column of ash 20 miles high, spreading out over the whole city. Now they run. Streets that were full of laughter are full of screams. The ash falls like snow, hot, heavy, endless. The roofs are starting to break. By midday, the sun is gone. Pompeii is buried in the dark. By tomorrow, 12,000 lives and an entire city are simply gone. The vendor, the baker, Marcus, they all woke up thinking today was ordinary. Every world feels permanent, right until the afternoon it ends.